Jayesh Khilnani is standing by with the highlights that were compiled by Motilal Oswal. Jayesh, where has the big portfolio rejig come into?
Shraddha, the big rejig has come in the IT space notably. But first, let's have a look at where the equity assets have dipped, or the houses that have shown an equity value dip. So you had the house of Franklin Templeton, their equity value has dipped as much as 4%, HDFC 3.9%, SBI, Aditya Birla Sun Life and Reliance Mutual Fund also posting a net decline in their equity value. But let's move on to see where the other space was active, like you were mentioning. Sector-wise, where is the space that they have made the highest increase in their weightage is first is the technology space, where they have increased their weightage by 30 basis points, followed by telecom, also 30 basis points increase as well. Utilities is the other space that they have actually increased weightage, so 0.2% there as well, and followed by consumer and metals. They have increased about 20 basis points weightage as there as well. In terms of the sectors that have shown a decline in their weightage, private banks and PSU banks lead the charts over there. 0.8% decline in the weightage. Remember, this is a big decline. Currently, their total private bank exposure stands at 15.7%, followed by PSU banks, where they reduced 50 basis points. Capital goods, the other space, and L&T, the stock to watch out for. They have reduced weightage over there as well, and oil and gas, the other one that has seen a cut in the weightage. Let's look at individual stocks then, how they have fared. These are the top stocks where they have increased their value, or the value of the stock has increased in the month of Feb for the mutual fund. So Wipro tops the chart over there. Remember that this is the only stock in the Nifty IT index, or the IT index, which has actually declined so far in this year, followed by BPCL that has increased by about 25%. Power Grid from the utility space about 14.5% higher. Tata Steel and TCS from the IT space also there has shown a net buy figure for themselves. Let's have a look at where the actual surprises have come in terms of the stock value. So Idea Cellular is the winner over there. That has actually shown an increase in the value of MF Holding to the tune of more than 1,500 crores, followed by Power Grid 1,360 crores. Infosys, TCS and Wipro, all three of them from the IT space, have also shown a surprise in the value of their mutual fund holdings. Let's look at what has actually disappointed. The banking space over here takes the lead. ICICI Bank, SBI, HDFC Bank and PNB also, that has shown a decline in their MF value, followed by L&T, which has shown a decline of about 2,400 odd crores that we have for themselves. Now the actual thing that was there, the buying actually came in the IT space and the utility space, while banking went out of the portfolio in a big way.